Today, Professor Chan will share his remarkable journey in fatty liver research, highlighting the themes of adding value, collaboration, and paying it forward. So, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Professor Dr. Chan Wah Kheong.
Patients with the more severe form of the disease or NASH can develop progressive liver fibrosis leading to cirrhosis. And we know that fibrosis is the single most important predictor of adverse outcome in this patient. And patients with cirrhosis due to the disease can go on to develop liver cancer.
Not only your dedication to advancing medical science, but also your commitment to collaboration and mentoring the next generation of clinicians and researchers.